It's a brand new week, a brand new day and a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood social media and entertainment. Before I get started, a quick reminder to all our viewers to go check out our Zoom Facebook page if you haven't done it yet for latest updates round the clock. For now, let's get started with the show with the top headlines of the day. Mandana Karimi accuses a producer of unprofessional behavior. A radiant Anushka Sharma is back on the set to shoot for brand endorsement. Deepika Padukone expresses desire to work with Kartik Aaryan. Krishna Abhishek and Govinda's family feud intensifies. Siddharth and Shehnaz share poster of their new music video, Shona Shona. Anushka Sharma looked stunning as she was spotted at a studio in Mumbai where she was shooting for an advertisement. Wearing a blue dress and brown flats, Anushka flaunted her adorable baby bump as she stepped out of her vanity van in hair and makeup. Anushka, who also seemed to be very excited to be back on set, shared many BTS pictures on her social media stories. It has been a long time since we saw Anushka Sharma in a vanity van or a set. The actor has been on a sabbatical from acting, focusing instead on her production house that seems to be creating world-class content. After a long trip to the UAE with husband Virat Kohli, Anushka, who is expecting her first baby in January, was spotted by the paparazzi as she began completing her work commitments before the baby's arrival. The actor shared a picture of her hair and makeup artist in PPE kits and jokingly called it the dress code on set. And later shared a mirror selfie of herself getting into hair and makeup with her team. Anushka wrote a simple hi as she shared a picture of herself looking at the makeup brushes in front of her while a hairstylist works on her hair. The actor, who is back on a shooting floor to complete filming for some commercials, was spotted exiting her van in a gorgeous blue gown with her hair left open. मास्क के पीछे से भी अनुष्का का pregnancy glow unmissable था, and the star looked radiant as she flaunted her baby bump while walking towards the sets. According to sources, Anushka will be shooting back-to-back for 7 days across different studios in Mumbai. The actor, who is filming for commercials, will be working and looking to finish all her pending work commitments before she gears up for the arrival of her first child. Since the actor is pregnant, extra care is being taken to keep her safe and make sure nothing impacts this crucial 7-day schedule. From her makeup and hair team being in PPE kits to testing all cast crew members for the pandemic-related virus before the shoot, all measures have been taken to protect the mommy-to-be and those around her. Anushka was last seen in Zero with SRK and Katrina Kaif and has not signed any new Bollywood film since 2018. The star is instead enjoying her role as a producer, working on films and web series that have received a lot of praise recently. Anushka and husband Virat Kohli have also been spending plenty of time together, and the actor, who had spoken about how she and Virat struggled to find time together, seems to be enjoying this time with her husband, who also couldn't travel because of the pandemic. In August this year, Anushka and Virat shared that they were expecting their first child, and the couple, who was in UAE for over 2 months before returning to India, is now looking forward to starting a brand new chapter in their lives. Happy birthday कार्तिक आर्यन। द मिलेनियल हार्टथ्रॉब अपने जन्मदिन पर इस साल कोई बड़ी पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं कर पाए, लेकिन उन्होंने अपने जन्मदिन पर एक धमाकेदार खबर अपने फैंस के साथ शेयर की है।
Actor Kartik Aaryan has not been too active on social media for the past few months. The actor was in fact at his hometown with his family and only returned to Mumbai a few weeks ago. Kartik, who turned 30 this year, was wished by many of his colleagues in the industry. The actor, who has become very popular in a short time thanks to his quirky sense of humor and choice of films, also celebrated with enthusiastic press photographers who cut a cake with the actor.
Kartik, who has several interesting projects lined up including 2 sequels, Bhool Bhulaiya 2 and Dostana 2, announced a new film on the occasion of his birthday. Kartik shared the motion poster of his next film Dhammaka, which will be directed by Ram Madhvani. Kartik ने अपने सोशल मीडिया पेज धमाका को अनाउंस करते हुए लिखा, आज मेरा बर्थडे है, धमाका होना चाहिए। कई रोम-कॉम्स में काम करने के बाद कार्तिक पहली बार एक थ्रिलर में दिखाई देंगे। And according to sources, he will play a journalist who covers the live broadcast of a terror attack. In an interview, Kartik had said, "This for me is a miracle script and had me on the edge of my seat all through the narration. I knew this is the script that would give me the opportunity to explore a different side of me as an actor. I can't wait to transport myself to Ram Sir's world and see his vision translate on the big screen." Dhammaka is rumored to be the remake of a 2013 South Korean film, The Terror Life. Many netizens spotted a similarity between the posters of the 2 films, and others also compared Kartik's look in the film to that of a character from the web series Money Heist. Some of the reactions to the poster were, "Copy from The Terror Life," wrote one user, while others said, "The Terror Life remake with Money Heist look. Movie The Terror Life की copy. Look Money Heist." But while he may be getting busy with work soon, he made sure to celebrate his birthday in a small way by cutting a cake with the paparazzi who love the chilled-out actor. Wearing a bright yellow hoodie with a black mask to make sure he follows pandemic safety rules, Kartik ने अपने media friends के साथ एक छोटा सा केक कट किया. The actor flashed his trademark goofy smile and waved for photographers who had gathered to celebrate his birthday with him. Kartik also received an extra special birthday wish from Deepika Padukone. After they created a huge buzz by dancing together to his song Dheeme Dheeme at the airport, it looks like Deepika Kartik के साथ एक पूरी फिल्म करना चाहती है। कार्तिक को सोशल मीडिया पे उनके बर्थडे के लिए विश करते हुए दीपिका ने लिखा, "Happy birthday. May we sign a fun film together this year. Kartik Aaryan." Well, Deepika, आपके मुंह में बर्थडे केक, because we know that any film with the 2 of you is sure to be a huge hit. With lockdown restrictions lifting, many B-Town beauties are heading to the Maldives to enjoy the sun and sand in their gorgeous resort and swimwear. Bikinis, sarongs and gowns are all being showcased by the beach and pool in various resorts as Bollywood's pretty ladies enjoy some downtime in paradise.
As lockdown restrictions are slowly lifted in different parts of India and travel opens up between countries, many Bollywood celebrities have chosen Maldives as their preferred destination for a quick wickie. It's no surprise that the gorgeous ladies are making full use of this opportunity to flaunt their perfect 10 figures while they relax and have fun after many months in lockdown. Here are 5 beauties who have set the temperatures soaring.
Disha Patni is one of the fittest actors in Bollywood and no one can rock a bikini like she does. The Malang star has set the beaches on fire in the Maldives by showing off her perfect physique in gorgeous two-piece swimsuits. The actor, who was reportedly holidaying with boyfriend Tiger, shared some sensational snaps from her holiday, first in a red bikini and then more recently in a light blue swimsuit as she soaked up the morning sun. Next up is Katrina. Katrina Kaif was in the Maldives recently to shoot for her cosmetic brand in connection with a fashion label, and the stunning star shared many sun-kissed pictures of herself in a variety of beach and resort wear. From a white two-piece bathing suit, a multicolored rainbow-striped one-piece and a low-cut red dress, Katrina looked fabulous every single time. Moni Roy also jetted off to the Maldives earlier this year and shared many gorgeous pictures of herself relaxing at a stunning resort. The actor wore a cute black bikini while enjoying a dip in the swimming pool and a bright yellow one while chilling in a hammock by the ocean. The actor also shared a beautiful video जहां वो एक serene blue backless gown में बीच की तरफ चलती जा रही है. Rakul Preet Singh recently enjoyed some downtime with her family in the Maldives. Rakul shared many stunning snaps of herself in a variety of holiday looks. From an orange bikini on the beachside to a simple striped cord set for some chilling by the pool, Rakul seems to have nailed the resort wear looks perfectly. Tara Sutaria brought in her 25th birthday in the Maldives, and the star was reportedly celebrating her special day with her beau Adar. Tara shared a stunning snap of herself in a printed monokini that showcased her fit physique perfectly. The beautiful blue sky and palm trees only add to the beauty of the picture, which seems to have been clicked by her boyfriend Adar. Actor Mandana Karimi has accused producer Mahendra Dhariwal of misbehavior on the sets of the film Coca-Cola. He in turn has responded by accusing Mandana of behaving in an unprofessional manner.
It was 2 years ago that the Me Too movement rocked Bollywood, with many women in the industry speaking up about many male producers from Bollywood, directors and actors who had harassed them at work. 2 years after the movement, it seems that such incidents may still be occurring in Bollywood, or at least that is what actor Mandana Karimi has suggested when she accused a producer of improper behavior.
Mandana, who acted in films like Kya Cool Hai Hum and Bhag Johnny, was filming for Coca-Cola in Mumbai when the reported incident occurred. Coca-Cola's shooting had been stalled during the pandemic, and it was only recently that work on the film had begun again. मंदना का कहना है कि कोका कोला फिल्म साइन करने के बाद जब पिछले साल इस पर काम शुरू हुआ, तब उन्हें रियलाइज हुआ था कि इस फिल्म पे काम करने वाली टीम प्रोफेशनल तरीके से पेश नहीं आ रही है। मंदना ने अपने स्टेटमेंट में कहा, द प्रोड्यूसर महेंद्र धारीवाल इज एन ओल्ड स्कूल मैन who turns the set into a man-dominated, egoistic place. There are places where projects are driven by one person's ego. उनका कहना है कि 13 नवंबर को उनके साथ जो हुआ left her completely shaken up. In her statement to a news publication, Mandana said कि शूट के आखिरी दिन पे उन्हें जल्दी निकलना था और इसीलिए वो सेट्स पे जल्दी आई, and she clocked in the necessary hours. However, she was unable to stay for an extra hour as the producer requested, since she had another work meeting. Mandana went on to reveal in her statement, the moment I left the set and went to my vanity van to change, he forcefully came inside and started shouting, "You can't leave. I asked you to do an extra hour and you have to listen because I am the producer and I have paid you." The producer Mahendra Dhariwal has responded to Mandana's accusations and said that it was she who behaved in an unprofessional manner and kept asking for additional money once shooting began after restrictions were lifted. He has said that though the schedule was 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., she refused to stay beyond 8 p.m. Responding to Mandana's accusations of him entering her vanity van, he said कि वो मंदना की vanity van में उनसे बात करने गए थे, लेकिन knock करने के बाद and allegedly for a very short time. He has also claimed that other people on set can vouch for what he's saying. What the outcome of this incident will be remains to be seen, but it does shed light again on a need for more professional workplace behavior in Bollywood, whether it's actors or the crew.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो ईश्वर चाहता है वो कभी गलत नहीं होता। जिसकी नीयत अच्छी होती है उसका अंजाम कभी खराब नहीं होता।
Govinda and Krishna Abhishek's relationship seems to be approaching a point of no return.
मुझे ये तो पता था कि मामा हूँ, हंगामा हूँ ये आज तक नहीं पता था।
The two have been estranged for a while now, and the recent drama over Krishna refusing to be a part of a TV show where Govinda was to appear has only widened the rift between them.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप सही हैं तो सब सही है, आप गलत नहीं हैं तो कुछ भी गलत नहीं है।
While Krishna's absence was ironically very visible, his comments and obvious anger against Govinda has forced the senior actor to speak up.
ऐसी क्या गलती मैंने कर दी मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है।
Filmy family fights are as old as film themselves. And on many occasions over the years, we have seen members of the film families or even friends who have known each other for years. Case in point, Karan Johar and Kajol have a falling out with each other. Kabhi patch up ho jata hai, but in some cases the misunderstandings just keep building up.
The actor has released a statement where he claims to be talking about the truth and expressing his disappointment with the statements reportedly made by Krishna about their relationship and why he didn't want to be a part of the episode. Govinda ने अपने statement में कहा है, his statement had many defamatory comments and was thoughtless. Refuting Krishna's comments that he had tried to get in touch with Govinda during the lockdown but received no response, गोविंदा ने कहा कि वो कृष्णा और कश्मीरा के बच्चों को हॉस्पिटल में देखने गए थे, पर वहां उनसे कहा गया कि कश्मीरा किसी से भी मिलना नहीं चाहती। However, he adds कि कृष्णा अपने बच्चों को लेके अपनी बहन आरती सिंह के साथ गोविंदा से मिलने आए थे, लेकिन ये बात उन्होंने अपने मीडिया इंटरव्यूज में नहीं बताई है। गोविंदा ने कृष्णा और उनकी वाइफ कश्मीरा पर ये इल्जाम लगाया है कि वो बार-बार उनके खिलाफ डेफेमेटरी कमेंट्स करते हैं, saying that the best solution was to distance himself from his nephew. गोविंदा ने कहा कि झगड़े हर घर में होते हैं, लेकिन मीडिया में डिस्कस करने से बात और बिगड़ जाती है। My late mother would always tell me, नेकी कर और दरिया में डाल. That's what I intend to do, he added. Govinda and Krishna Abhishek are the newest entrants to the club of quarreling relatives in Bollywood, which includes Aamir Khan and his brother Faisal, Hrithik Roshan and his sister Suhana, amongst many others, जिनका अपने परिवार वालों के साथ ही 36 का आंकड़ा है।
और मेरे लिए बड़ी बात है कि मेरे मामा हैं। गोविंदा जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए।
It is unfortunate indeed that such huge misunderstanding occur over minor differences of opinion or casually made statements that snowball into a nasty war of words.
Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, but guys stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while.
सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला और शहनाज गिल एक दूसरे को अब प्यार से शोना कह के बुलाएंगे। ऐसा हम नहीं कह रहे हैं, उनके नए गाने का पोस्टर बता रहा है।
Siddharth and Shehnaz met on the sets of a reality show, and it seems like the sparks that flew then are still burning bright. The two, who are called Sidnaz by their fans, seems to share a great chemistry both on and off screen. And while neither has confirmed कि आखिर वो एक दूसरे के कौन हैं, उनकी बढ़ती नजदीकियां seems to tell us that they are more than just good friends.
Siddharth and Shehnaz will be seen in a brand new music video which is all set to launch on 25th November. Siddharth and Shehnaz's video has been filmed on the song sung by Neha Kakkar and Tony Kakkar. After starring together in videos for the songs Wada Hai and Bhula Dunga, Siddharth और Shehnaz are all set to create a hat-trick of hits with their upcoming video for the song Shona Shona. Keeping up with the current trend जहां म्यूजिक वीडियोस की अनाउंसमेंट फिल्म अनाउंसमेंट जितनी ग्रैंड होती जा रही है, सिडनाज ने अपने फैंस को दिया एक खास वीकेंड ट्रीट by dropping the poster of the song which is called Shona Shona. Siddharth and Shehnaz shared the poster on their respective social media profiles and announced the launch of the song as 25th November and tagged each other and the singers Neha and Tony. Siddharth and Shehnaz have a huge fan following both individually and as a couple. और उन्हें एक साथ देखकर उनके फैंस बहुत एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं. They seem to share a great bond off screen, and it looks like they are now collaborating more often professionally as well. And why not? इसी बहाने उन्हें एक दूसरे के साथ और टाइम स्पेंड करने का मौका मिलता है और अपने फैंस को खुश करने का भी. The couple was in fact spotted when they traveled together to Chandigarh recently to shoot for Shona Shona और लगता है काफी जल्दी गाना रिलीज होने के लिए रेडी भी है. The song seems to have a more youthful vibe with both Siddharth and Shehnaz dressed in a fresh youthful style. The poster also has bright colors in the background और artwork देख के तो यही लगता है कि गाना काफी रोमांटिक और मजेदार होने वाला है. पोस्टर पे सिद्धार्थ and Shehnaz are seen striking a romantic pose and looking completely lost in each other's eyes. While Siddharth is wearing a jacket and black jeans, Shehnaz looks pretty in an off-shoulder black top and a long metallic skirt. सिडनाज के फैंस इस अनाउंसमेंट से बहुत एक्साइटेड है and there were many comments shared in reaction to the poster. You both look amazing. एक यूजर ने लिखा. तो वहीं another wrote, I am super duper excited for the release Shona Shona. This is so freaking hot, read another comment. We are super excited too and we can't wait for the 25th जब हमें finally ये गाना देखने और सुनने का मौका मिलेगा.
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section below on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow with some latest from Bollywood.